Right now, as we speak, a Hamilton County judge is deciding whether a teenager accused in a crash that killed a former Hamilton Southeastern football player will be tried in adult court.
Prosecutors say the boy, who was 17 years old at the time of the crash but has since had a birthday and is now 18, drove recklessly and killed Mason Alexander. Our Ashton Hackman was in the courtroom today, and he now joins us from Hamilton County.
Ashton, what were the arguments made today in court?
Yeah, well, the prosecution admitted this is actually a very unique case. The teen driver was just a few months shy of turning 18 and was arrested as a juvenile just days after his birthday. The prosecution and family of Mason Alexander, they say these were adult actions and should be treated as such. Now, it's important to note we can't name that juvenile driver because it is still in juvenile court. But in court today, the prosecution argued the teen accused with reckless homicide has shown a history of drug and alcohol use both before and since the crash. Prosecutors played Snapchat videos from February and April, which allegedly showed the teen drinking and hitting a weed pen. His attorneys argue that's irrelevant because drugs and alcohol were ruled not to be factors in the crash. They say this was a prime example of teenage driving and that the boy should be kept in juvenile court. Now, you might recall this crash happened around 9 p.m. on March 1st near Southeastern Parkway and Interstate 69. Investigators said the boy was driving with Alexander as a passenger. The teen driver allegedly passed a car in a no-pass lane, swerved, overcorrected, and hit a tree, killing Mason Alexander. Now, his family filled the courtroom today, and they hope this case does move to adult court.
We hope that the court does make the right decision because, as we see it, it was an adult act. So we want to make sure that justice is done, and that's just the first step. Mason meant a tremendous, he just meant the world to all of us, and we're speaking for him where he can.
Now, the judge said she will make a decision whether to waive the case as early as tomorrow. At that point, we do expect an initial hearing will be filed. Now, Anne-Marie and Dustin, that teen is still in jail accused of reckless homicide. If waived to adult court, that would likely become a level 5 felony. It's, of course, a case we will continue to cover.
All right, Ashton Hackman live for us tonight in Noblesville. Thank you.